Musaisia ni kwatia wati danesa wani Mutongo TV ngwatini ya mukamba nyaneta wa Steven Mwema ni saa umwe siya wiyo na ni saa siya bilingi wa mawo tukuelese maundu meke wadhokanyala mekite ukamba ni wito Kenya yonde na ndi siyanza na indi tuambozi siya mwe katiwa alatu kumbanisye
alatu kumbanisye ni bamwena.
If we have solar, we can save some money and buy medicine for our people to be very impactful to our communities.
Thank you most sincerely, Your Excellency, for choosing KCB as your preferred partner.
Wabinyandeti eze silikali ya kene kiangwata ni ona KCB kuwete melati ya kwa ilia udhukumi masako.
And we want to guarantee the members of the public that there is no any imposed taxation on mitumba. So ignore all the propaganda or all the misinformation and disinformation that there is added taxation on mitumba.
Mwene kivila wanzama ya kinandu mbungeni ni wakuli ya Kenya meso me finance bill maika kengwe.
Bunge ya mazako dokumondosu ye ndiye rinda. Nondo ila ita post fact kana meunga miya mbogi ekosisi station. Valuation role ino based na moya wa 2024 wa national government.
Nathaniel Nganga kuliana nangewasiaka na kaunti ya Masako ni kuongela koti wa miunda na idheka.
We have organized capacity building so that the citizen can engage in the political and electoral processes, and they can actually we can be able to strengthen the democracy in this country.
Na obisi wa mwandikithia wa Asia makukuli ya Kenya meyumile kwa wingi kuna kula za kwa nini wa 2027.
Bilingi wa maovo.
Ni Sharon Ndinda no kuona ngelele maboa kwanzia ya meko twambine kuli tumuthenyani wa umundi ni kuli tinoko na nende ingita meuliana na finance bill ndo akolea kwa misoma na kuelewa otondo mwene kivila wa kinandu mbungeni nene okuweta no kuona nende ingita meuliana na finance bill ndo akolea kwa misoma na kuelewa otondo mwene kivila wa kinandu mbungeni nene okuweta otumani wakuwaye kana aye wete kusililita tukenda imwe itano ezi namba ito SMS na mitandao ya mikomukanile lani Mutongo TV tuenda kumana NND meeleana na finance bill ndo akolea kumesoma na kumeelewa hii kana meeleana na finance bill ni kwethia mayumienda ni mameletwe indi ni moleana nayo. Aya tusonge na mbeyu tunengelele mawo governor wa county ya Masako wa Binyandeti ya serikali yake nenyankia wiweno na wengi wa KCB kutoa nambe melati ya mwaki yote na udhu kwa mawithuluko kana clean energy wa binya ya siangwatanio ine kutethesya kwikia sola masivitali ni maskulu ni pamwe na kundukungi kwa kutumika ni wanda kindu kila kiotethesya kumanenga mwaki wakuyana kulangalama ya mwaki pamwe na kwa ile udhukumi kwa mwene nthi wa binya ngia siangwatanio ine kutethesya kwa ile melati ingeta matama malelo ne kana street lights nyumba cia mbumbano kundu kwa kusomea pamwe na melati kana mulati wa Machakos Youth Service na ende Charles Kitavi ni wende na kutuya ngiwesu davya ningo nengelelia nikenda ndi wesethia ni wa mikwata tuisonga na mbe minister mubeani wa itheka county ya Masako Nathaniel Nganga ni waleana na uneni wa amwe member mambunge ya county ya Masako muthenyane wa iyo itinawasikalo ile itwa iwe sia mbunge isu sia kana county ya Masako ni kwenda kuangala koti wa miunda koti kana Nathaniel Nganga ni waleana na maobo asu ayasia kana koti wa miunda na itheka ni koti ula withito bo wabetukithiwe tena ni serikali ya Kenya na baibata wa county ya Masako kuangala koti usu Karo Munyoki no kutweleza
itina wa mbunge ya Masako kutwaisa sikalo syayo muthenani wayo amwe mambunge kana memba mambunge suni maise kana serikali ya county ya Masako yenda kuongela koti wa miunda na itheka neto ila siekwa itheka ni minister muveane wa itheka Nathaniel Nganga aiweta kana county ya Masako yitonya kuongela koti wa itheka kula kuyekali Masako
bunge ya Masako dokumondosu ye ndiye rinda. Nondo ila ita post fact kana meunga miya mbogi ekosisi station. Nondo mbogi no ya kosisi station tende ya kosisi ya songa na valuation role ino based na moya wa 2024 national government ti yeto vitokithĩtie Masaku na rolo twa meseobia ndo atoye county assembly ama vitokithia moene ende na metie nda matwa training mabina mata niba mbe waele ata mabundisia na matu yake ndukeni kesio muno yuba la maendi yokwati wani byuvi make ukendo Masaku tebesi na nenda kwasia kindu kitu petukitie kulingana na moya wa National Rating Act na baimu ya wa county assembly wa vetukitwa ungaidete kindu kinu ndo la waivoni watene ani overridden by ulamweu
oingi ngangani waweta kana vai mundu wina mwanya wa kuleana na uvitukithio wa serikali ya nthi ya Kenya na mo maitonya kuongela mukuo kwa ekalima kaunti ya Masaku vala waumya wito kula kuyene nthi kulea kwithukisya ndeto ila site na uo
value ya miundela tunakwatie Masaku ni inagaiditwe ni value as national government ela tunathukumana mo na values hizo na sizio wa market values ila sindini wa area yitu ya Masaku na netunaraisie percentage ya rates wa kila tu apply it kuma 2% mpaka 0.5 na twade even to 0.2% which for compute nundumo na 90% reduction ya percentage.
Ni waweta kana wendekethio wa mbunge ni kana kutungi ya koti wa itheka kwa ekalima Masaku uitonyekana kuisilamu viane wa itheka neme umola mukuo anduma Masaku na kumakulia meyumilie maofisini ethi wamena undume kwenda kweleangwa mbeange
na indi ivieta county executive to decide ye kana tiyongelela uitu anduma Masaku instead tithio maunya burden tithio mates ya uitu na nijo kitumitaisye tubetange penalties na interest and maitu maike by principle peke yake na si ni bange de tunatangazi tira public sensitization across the county na alama na makulio yolwa the same issues kana maundu ma miunda mwadoje kukambomba no ni issue tunena nyinenu ati musungia makulio alamwe na ondonu tunamutangazi ndine ya makanzeti
ndilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo kumava Masaku ni Karo wa Munyoki.
Muvya Karo tuisonga na mbetu thikwa Ken NND sioni sia matungulo ni mendeka ukwatiaria na thukumi ma kaunti ya Masaku kwa ile maundu ma maendeleo ni uni kuyanana na muungami munene wa wadi sio nthesi ya matungulo Cosmas Masesi Mwamba na Justus Ketengu manager wa Munuzuva ya Kangundo Tala alama akomana na maobisa angi la kutoa isi kikalo kimwanya kuyatala na thukumi ma kaunti ya Masaku kuma matungulo kunena nisi ya thukumi wa kwaili sio siandwani walamenda enende kusubia melati kebadhukanyo wale imulinga no kutueleza
Cosmas Masesi awetakana matambe make kalokine kweta famadho kumina kuikia matambe maudho kumiondo mwana uyo nakatoa dhukumi makaunti na enende sio nisi andwani ayongela kana itambe hii tethesi monoku ya nisi maudho magavana wa kaunti ya Masaku kuyenende
kuende na kuelesya mwenende kila kilu chonde maundu ondela magavana tethete transition na MYS ngawa ya skulu ngawa ya desilting ya masilanga ngawa ya somedia ngawa driving license ngawa ya IT training sindu sio ndo ila gavana wiketo ngawa ECD classes naende maundu alama naende kunenga amuika maitu masomo kunenga na matents kunenga na ibila masilia sindu hizo ndeni sia gavana ECD classes sia kawe gavana malelo onde ma federal matungulu onde matemeta ni excellency gavana wandeti naende nondo akwitha tuenda kumanana kwa mundu kumimonde wa serikali tunene wasiomwe andi riteve anisendeni amondo ma serikali la meku na itu abo chamwene ndi ndene autonia kula ndi taterete mauya na kala maitutulikania mundu serikali ya gavana wa Vinya ni serikali mwe na ile sovya ndonde ma Masaku na kwa jumla ndo ma matongolo sub county
na ke Justus Ketengu ulevi kitake kolone kino wata thukumi ma county sione ithi kuthukuma na withianu na kosa mavata maenende na uito vate kulela uyani wo kwithwa na mevyaki fathokonyo county ne iyo mbanite kwithukisya wendi wa mwenende
tenda kusomea mbaino otuma mathithia kana project ila sia munene siende ndini wa ward levels ni siana ata na twende kwikata ni kenda tusisye kula project ita na mbobikia kwekwa na kula maleo mata na mbobikia kutemwa mpaka bikia kutemwa na project hii stream down mpaka kula kwa village level na kiu niyo anjendela nene na kenjendela nge ya muthokomi kila bandu wabika kwa mbena KMT ku deliver through manifesto ma excellence ya kana service delivery kwa mwananchi niyo ki na nitwegwa na hiyo data sub county through our sub county admin kana nitwe kwa serikali mwako na kuthukuma na kumake sure kana nitwe KMT wala betia lete nigaruka bige ku deliver
nikumana na kivala nithimendeka kusovya milati la isione cia andu na vate kumiananga kana kumitumia naina kukuna alivoti maofisini ma kaunti la mona vevatam
twamanana na twatwesila kana nituthukuma twi mwamba na nituthi ukwatiania kila mundu kethia ona uya so long as yathukuma masaku nukumana uyo uthukumitwe ni governor na yusuvia ta muthukumi wa county government ya Machakos na jasia maundu ala onthe governor witu wikite GDO ena ward admin na village admins nituthi kwosa mukondo wa kutembea kila sub location tuvisitete miradi ila governor wikite na kumisisha na kunena nyina ene ndi.
Nilivoti ya Mutongo TV yenetwa Mulingem.
Ni mwabea mulei tusioke kwa Karo visi wa mwandiki munene wa siama cia kiuteti ni wamenda ene kuikiithia kana ni meyu milioni bailite kukuna kula unyubanini munene wukite wa mwakani wa ngili mengole na monza aina na kabindani kalame na kikalo musini wa masako cha kunena ni cia maundu makonete kwiyumbanisia unyubani Anne Kaberere ulani munene wa maundu ma kwianisia na kuongela utonyi ni waweta kana ngwatanio ya kila mwene nthi unyubanini ikasangia banene kuyania kwa demokrasia ya Kenya. Karo.
Ainena kavindani kalame na kikalova musini wa masaku na ikundi isi kivathukanyo kivo cha muvea wa unyuvani na mivaka Anne Kaberere ulane umwe kikundini cha kuongelela utonyi muvea ni usu ni wawe takana a Kenya ni mailite kwiyumelia ondu vailite kukuna kula ni kana kwa ilia unyuvani usu wa mwaka ukite wa ngilile na miongo ili na muonza.
So we have organized capacity building of various stakeholders within the political space so that the citizen can engage with in the political and electoral processes. So these programs are supposed to do a preparedness for all the citizens. We are trying to strengthen their participation in the election.
Nake munene wa muvea wa unyuvani na mivaka IEBC uvonge wa masakune Lilongo ni wawe takanathi na munene wa Kenya ni kulea kukuna livoti la mona mundu kuika uvathukanu na mea ya unyuvani ayumia ukanyo kwa mundu wonde ula kukwatikana na mavito wa sunu kuwasi wa matambia mai makimeyao.
Wakati matukosa yametokea lazima yashughulikiwe. Na hasa kipindi cha kampeni, the election period, the one that is gazetted as the electioneering period, and that is when the code of conduct comes into force. We need to secure our country and ensure that we are operating in a peaceful environment. Huo ndio wito wetu. And it takes you and me to ensure this environment is safe.
Okavindani kau Jacqueline Nziva omwe wa alame kukitia ivila si kivathukanyo ni wawe takana kumasomethia ene nthi kwa ati ya mea ya unyuvani ni kumatethesia muno na kumekia vinya ateti maka alame na wia wa kukitia ivila isu.
Of course we have learned about the laws governing elections and also the code of conduct which we are supposed to know. Political parties code of conduct that we have learned a lot, and many voters are wooed to vote for the wrong people. So my people, don't be wooed by the wrong politicians who want to just woo you to get to the wrong leaders.
O vamwe nau akani makulu ameyandikithia na siama cia kiuteti matena wia ni kana methiwe na ivuso iseo ya kukitia ivila si kivathukanyo cia utongo ivaanthi ya Kenya.
We're hoping we'll aim higher. Women deserve more, women deserve better, and we're hoping that they're able to just understand that they are covered by the law, they have their rights.
Ndilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kumavaa musini wa masaku ni Karo wa Munyoki.
Tuthi kwa Nesa Tongoi alama okitea akisia alama ekalana mamutha memwanya kaunti ya Kitui ni makule serikali kuseobia na kuthukumithia metala methiano gwikithia andu ala methewana mamutha memwanya ni makwata mauthukumio no bailite ainene ya kuya Kitui obisa wa wiananu wa mibai Dr. Salada na munyanya wa maundu ala wa alama ekalana mamutha memwanya John Kilonzo ni matula mote kaunti kana mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kwa kilama weta mbunge taiselete kusobia miao ya kusobia miao ta ala kana ya ala mena mamutha memwanya Onesimus no kutweleza
ene ndiale mamutha memwanya kaunti ya Kitui ni mokile kiocho kwa serikali wa kaunti ya Kitui kusebe mivango ya kuikithekana ni makonyo katika mivango ya serikali ya maendeleo na kukwata uthukumi wa serikali.
National Gender Inequality Commission ingechukua nafasi hii kutambua kwa uwazi juhudi hizi. Hata ingawaje tuna mambo mengi ambayo tumeyatenda, lakini bado katika kaunti yetu hatuna sera ya walemavu ya kaunti. Swala hilo bado linahitaji lishughulikiwe. Si Kitui kaunti peke yake, lakini hata kaunti zingine. Lakini tujaribu tuweke sera ya ambayo itawashughulikia walemavu katika kaunti yetu.
Hata taima alame na mamutha memwanya kaunti ya Kitui ni mawetakana kukosekana kwa mivango mielu ya kuikithia NND alame na mamutha memwanya ni makwata nya kuthukuma serikali na kuiendesia ni kumavinyea mainene matonguwe nenda Kitale Saladi wikundi ya kuikithia wiananu wa NND pamoja mwene kivilo wa mwavuli wikundisia alame na mamutha memwanya kaunti ya Kitui John Kilonzo na mamienda serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui kuyambe maandamano alame na mamutha memwanya.
Pia ningependa kuhimiza serikali yetu ya kaunti ya Kitui kwamba kuna mambo ambayo yanahusiana na uajiri wa walemavu. Sheria zetu zinasema kwamba 5% ya wafanyakazi wa serikali ya kaunti wanastahili kuwa ni watu walemavu. Vile vile katika tenda zile za serikali 5% pia inastahili ipewe walemavu, kina mama na vijana 30%. Kwa hivyo ningependa wafuatilie hiyo na waweze kutekeleza swala hilo.
Atongoyane makoso bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kwa kila mawetakana nilete kuvitukithia mwiyo wa kusisi andolame na mamutha memwanya balamenda speaker wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui Kevin Kinengo asisi muswada lo vikitwa bungeni isu ni ene mamutha memwanya kuvitukithia no kana mavikiene kukwata uthukumu wa serikali.
Andu ma MCA ma kwa nini mwendete muno na ningulilikana mukumanza kula kilo mwe enda katavya mulemavu mwatunuva nituthi kuvitukithia mwiya wenu nenda mwanisye ahadi isu syenu sya kutusovesya mwiya witu nundu mwiya nitwendie twasovya twakulia alemavu maoni mo na mete kila kingi ve ona speaker ningumukulia hakikishe mwiya usu niwanengwe kipaumbele nundu kwi vindo watu athite kana mwiya usu no kudiscussiwa katika county assembly ila ya mwaka muthelu na yu mwaka nduthelile na twineza kuona mwiya usu kuvitukithia na speaker ndinatie usu uko kwiwa kwenda senator tene witika senator utatetea alemavu.
Ripoti ya Blingo Movomo Tongoi TV ni Onesimus Chalo.
Ene musaisia tuthithio muone twandete ni ukuletie ndokona ine nthi aingita meoleana na finance bill undu wa kulea kwa misoma na kuelewa tondo mwene kivila wa kinandu mbunge nene okueta ndiye na kunena na ituku selelita chukende muitana namba itu tumani mkupe mitandao ya mekumu kanili Motongo TV tuthithio muone netusioka ningutha ngisoma utumani wako.
Wemi wa matukwa ubindukite ukatwika wa kilovia
ila we upanda kindu omana kumana soko ya kuneva ni wale mba kumana wethi kutea
kwambia kumanda mbeu kuvika mboleani ukaamanda kiucha univya
ibange ngewani andawa mumiagi ibinda thila yalite kunanda we ibinda thila yalite
uimi wenda masabu
na avocado ino si survive na mbua hii kana nungithasia
most of the time kondi ngithasia munango nini ungamitio munda nezokezera kihuba yongenda
wakuna masabu uithie nguku kana mbui na ng'ombe uyithia onabo benda utuika
wina injubeta na wise kwalicha waile kwalicha kaswine kokeba ita etumbe yiba ita nondo wale ule unobandie muno
siasia wasa wa ng'ombe mongo to wasiche teno ino ni nome jo ino ni nome wabese mongo wayo umwasa ni ndulu
na yuwe mwimi ivangenesa kuima ndukese kukwatwa ninza kana ukosembesa
kwithwa wimete tundo tuini no kithe kikimwe kati wa challenge kila kitu no tuma mwimi atakwata sokonze
wasia wa mwimi kila wakatatu kwambia saa ile sia mawiyo winake Steven Mwema va Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Want to become a competent driver or a professional heavy machine operator? Trained at Jordan Driving School and Jordan Modern Machinery Training Institute, subsidiaries of Jordan College of Technology, Thika. Gain hands-on training in saloon cars, lorries, and heavy plant operator machines like excavator, forklift, motor grader, Motorola, backhoe, wheel shovel, and more. Enjoy modern brand new fleet.
Driving and operating heavy machinery is for everyone, regardless of the age or gender. Intake is ongoing. Visit us today at Jordan Towers, Thika Town.
Jordan Modern Machinery Training Institute, the movers in plant operator training.
Lukenya University ni kimanisio kinengeto mavalua ni Commission for University Education na kina courses ya undergraduate, diploma, certificate, masters na PhD. Uka uendesi savale ya kuya kisomo kwa kweka programs ya PhD in Education Planning and Administration, PhD in Geography and Regional Planning, PhD in Business Management na PhD in Agriculture. Uka uendesi kisomo chaku ndini wa Masters of Education, Master of Arts in Geography, Master of Arts in History. Tena programs ya degree ta Bachelor of Education, Bachelor of Education in Early Childhood Education, Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Information Technology, Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration and County Governance. Na tena diploma na certificate courses. Nowike diploma in General Agriculture, Certificate in General Agriculture, Artisan in General Agriculture ilani ya NEC, Diploma in Wildlife Management na vile tena School of Health Sciences vala utona kuika BSc in Nursing. Tena courses ingeta Diploma in Nutrition and Dietetics vala tena Certificate in Healthcare Assistant. Uka Lukenya University Main Campus ilani Mutito Wandei kana utukunie simu kwisila 0790 444000 kana kwisila 0791 444000. Likandeni wa website yetu ilani www.lukenyauniversity.ac.ke. Lukenya University, we labor for the benefit of future generations. Universal Trader Sacco ni sako ya andu onthe kuma kwa atandithia aimi alama andikitwe ni kambuni cia kimbene nginya athukumi ma serikali na kwithiandikithia ni silingi maana 5 thoka mbungeni situ withiandikithie kana ukune simu kwisila noti mwonza ina 3 imwe ina 6 ithiandikithie na Universal Trader Sacco ukwate mausio maingi takuia mbesa ciaku ungua akiba savings kana current account ya biasala wala ukethia utonda kukwata checkbooks nundu wa osesei musio wa mbesa ikia mbesa ciaku nthini wa fixed deposit kana call deposit vala mbesa ciaku si kuendea kusiana kila muthenya na no umye mbesa ciaku na usiao wasio ibinda yonthe tena vengi cia simu ungua M-Sacco Services na yubine ya star 3 usakue upesi loan ukove mbesa oyu pate kutinde ya kuiso cia mathangu no mubinguwe mwethia account muye mbesa ta kikundi na tena toto account kubundi cia mwana waku kusubia mbesa kuma emunini ona wenda kuiya mbesa ciaku uthisi kuku tena holiday account na we member wa Universal Trader Sacco ni tu kunenga mikopo kibadhukanio kuma kwa loan cia biasala asset financing ukawa matangi mota matinga meiyo yako kuna kiwu takatuma ona mibeleki ona wenda kuthoa tuktuk kana ngali. Tena development loans, loans ya emergency, tuinuke loans ila ni loans ya aka na sitha na usia munini, na tena ngina check off loans ya adhukumi ma serikali, taalimu na adhukumi ma makambuni. Likandeni wa website ya www.universaltraders.co.ke kukwata mawombi yange kana ukone simu kwisila noti monza ina itatu imwe ina dhandatu ile dhandatu nana.
Mukamba ni wese uimane udhui na kwa uo ndo ilite kubatithia na uima waku wa mwi. Rafiki Herbal Clinic ungua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nizo kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongoetie kwa witi mwithianu na wandawa siki ukunikili wa ki-science nituitama ukibadhukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia kwa mbatoni ndakame, ukosebina wa kiume, mauma kekonde, asma, mauma metambo, fibroids, sukali na mauange. Komana na Herbal Dr. Mwithia kila chuma bawikala wakwambelile matuku 15 mwi wa dhandatu twi makindu kwa makindu motors kuthengenia na police post kuthengenia na total kungethanisia na mumbuni driving wakele matuku 15 twi tala kuthengenia na Flavors restaurant katikati wa Total petrol station na Isma supermarket wakati matuku 17 twi matu stage kwa kenatwa Sacco booking office kuthengenia na Matuma supermarket wakana matuku 18 twi kitui Red Car Mall na wa Intel bookshop kunda kindu stage ya Probox ya Mbitini kungethanisia na Chama tu hotel wakatano matuku 9 twi Masaku Complex Inn kuthengiana na Automat Supermarket kuthengiana na Bata na wadhandatu matuku miongole twi Mulolongo 3Ds Hotel ground floor katikati wa Automat Supermarket na China Market. Kwa maobombe yange tuthoke mobizini maitu alama bingu wetu kila muthenya Dar es Salaam, Ilobi, Mombasa, Masako wote, Kitui, Kibwezi na Emali kana tukunie simu kwesela noti muonza ile imwe noti kenda noti kana noti muonza na ina ile 55 kana ututume SMS kana WhatsApp kwesela noti muonza imwe noti kenda noti nyanya. Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals. Musaisiani twasiokethia muthenya wa keli wa ikomano ya maundu ma ukangani kana Ocean Festival ene yandani mathingili labata wa kwikithia ni mathukumithia miao na mawalanio ala mekitwe ni kana kweli okwati wa kiwoni na kwikithia ene nthi ala mekala isioni cia ukangani kana ilaite itawa makoyo ni meyukilia kiukwati na ukwata leo wa kwiana. Munini wa Musumbi Professor Kithure Kindiki ainena kabina nekala wakomana na ikomano yu kaunti ya Mombasa ni waweta kana serikali ni kwenda kwikia mawalani memwanya ni kana kwa ile mubea wa maundu ma ukangani kana blue economy ni kana kusangia kuyana kwa ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya. Angela
Ainene kumanoni ya 11 ya mithenya itatu ya kunenesia maundu ma ukangani munini wa President Kithure Kindiki ni wathingilila vata wa ene ianda kukwatana ni kana kuikithia ukangani wa siuviwa na ila nenzia imwe ya kuikithia ukwati na liu wa kuyana kwi ene nthi ala mekwatasia ukanga ni wavikia kwa ilua.
Not inherit the earth from our ancestors. Instead, we borrow it from our children. What this means, friends, is that we have an obligation as the current generation to return the ocean to our children cleaner, richer, and more resilient than we found it. That is how profound our obligation is.
Uneni wa Kindiki ni wakwatwa mbuni ula wa minister wa maundu manza nthi ya America John Kerry na ula wawetakana ukangani wikwata suava nene ni ene nthi indi nzikayo cia kuusuvia yithitwe itwaiwe undu vailite ni kumana na namba nene ya kiko na muno suva cia plastic na ila sietae muisio munene kwi ciumbe cia kiguo ni kwithiwa inyaikasua ukangani.
Because of greenhouse gas emissions, about a quarter of the carbon pollution that humanity emits every single year, the ocean takes, consumes. In other words, the ocean has actually been acting as Earth's life support system. And it's been protecting us. And the question before us as we come here to Kenya for this important meeting is whether we are willing to protect the ocean in return. Because the ocean is sending us a very, very clear message.
Kavindani kwa Minista maunduni maukwatu kangani kana blue economy na wenzi wa mavia malato Ali Hassan John womya wita no kui ene iyanda kukwatania vinyane kana kuikithia ni masovia ukanga na ula wa uwetata wina rasilimali mbingi na ila ikwata suani mwene nthi.
I have personally witnessed the profound connection between coastal communities and the ocean. For generations, the Indian Ocean has shaped our identity, sustained livelihoods, facilitated trade, inspired culture, and created opportunities for millions of people across our region.
We are working on handling hazardous waste so that we do not kill something that is to be enjoyed by the future generations. We're currently working on financing our beach management units and our fisher folk so that they can be able to do further and way more.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Mose.
Ni unengelelenge welani ni namina kuotabia Charles Ketapini wa mino miuwa na yapika gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Binyandeti ya sekana silikali ya Kenya ya kia wewa na bengi wa KCB kutoa nambe melati ya mwaki utena udhukwa mawithi luluko kana clean energy wabina ya sengwa taniyo ini kutele ya kwekia sola masibitali ni maskulu ni pamwana kuundu kungi kwa kutumekani wanda kendo kilaki utele ya kumanenga mwaki wakuya na kulangalama ya mwaki pamwana kwa ili udhukumi kwa mwenende wabina ingi ya sengwa tanyo ini kutelesya kwa ile milati ingi ta matama malelo nekana street lights nyumbasi ya mbumbano kondo kwa kusome hapa mwana mulati wa Machakos Youth Service. Kitabi
Serikali ya kaunti ya Masako kuyo mundi ni eki ya wigwano kana MOU na bengi wa Kenya Commercial Bank KCB wigwano lani wa kutoa nambe milati ya mwaki wa sola.
As we sign this MOU today, we do so with a shared understanding that success will be defined by action, accountability, and measurable impact. As KCB, we remain fully committed to ensuring that this partnership delivers real and lasting benefit to the people of Machakos County.
Ainene ya ombano ni ungavana wa Binyandeti ni watungia vengi umuvea aiwetaka na mwaki wa sola nukuitho itethesya vanene kuolangalama ya mwaki masivitali ni Masako.
Energy is key for us. You know, when I came, I found out a lot of bills that we could not be able to sustain as a county government, and even some of the areas where we have our hospital facilities, there is no electricity close. And I would want to open my clinics maybe 24 hours. There are some places where I'd want 24 hours because, you know, a woman who is giving birth normally can give just anytime, anywhere. So for us, solar is solar solutions are very key, especially for our hospitals. And I really look forward to partnering with you so that at least we can save some money. If we have solar, we can save some money and buy medicine. It will be very impactful to our communities. You can imagine the bills of the last time I received a Kenya Power bill. I don't even want to say it was big. Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course they're in business. They also are good partners. We work very well with them, but would also want to save.
Allow me to thank you most sincerely, Your Excellency, for choosing KCB as your preferred partner, and not even that, for going a step further and collaborating with us to resolve some of the challenges that we had before.
Kavindane kaunga vana wavinya ni wawetakana ngwatanio hii ni kutethesya vanene sekitani ya kiguo aiwetakana ndovoisia Masako sieki wa sola mwene ndenu kutetheka vanene.
We would want to partner with you on our boreholes also. You see, if we can also solarize all our boreholes, and that is, in fact, that is something we need to do like yesterday. Yeah, because we have boreholes that have very high yield, and we can solarize them and even pump and store water during the day. We're able to reticulate water to the nearby homes, and also it would be cheaper for us. The money that we would spend paying for electricity, we can use to buy pipes and take water close to the people. So that is another area as you're considering this. We also want you to consider, in fact, almost immediately, if it's possible, on the solarization of our boreholes, and that is through our water companies.
The county has a very, very special place in our heart because it's just an extension of Nairobi County. Yeah. Yes, and you've grown the county has grown actually most of our leaders whom we are very proud of.
Ingi Wavinya ne wasiangwatanio ini kwa ile maskulu kwa kuikia sola matama malelo unikana street lights nyumba cia kumbania nende na kundu kwa kutoa siana nini kanandi ikia.
We have daycare centers where our mothers now are taking their children during the day and go to work. Solarization of our daycare centers and also our social halls. Yeah, we have the social halls where, you know, the community halls. We have like one in Mulolongo and another one in Athi River, and we are moving to other areas. You can also solarize the social halls. It would also be good for us. That will go bringing our energy bill down. The other one is on street lighting. Street lighting security. If we can partner on security, you know, the 100 million or whatever we pay on electricity bill on street lighting, maybe we can do something else with the money.
We're in a tree planting exercise. So a number of the schools are actually the ones that cut down trees so that they can use the firewood for clean cooking. So we thought, for cooking. So we thought if we can support them to move towards clean energy and clean cooking, then we can be able to eliminate the use of firewood.
Di Livotia Vilingi uwa Movo Mutongo TV, Nitawa Charles Kitavi.
Tanithia na dhosia masi nduilangu sokoni wa matu ni makoswa uneni wa MCA wa matu wa kwenda biasala uko bingwa ameasia kana mena mabalua maotandithia kana pamito pamwana mabalua manema maiweta pomo maseliu na ingine methito maitethesia kuthesia soko kwa kukola nesiendo ingo.
All that we are doing is geared towards financing a budget of 4.8 trillion. So the member is right and the House is accordingly informed. Sit down and
order, honorable. Ni kuendeana ukusiwa unenania muvyu kuelekela mutalatala wa kinando wa mwaka wa 2023 bungeni ya kati ya yumbe kumangaliko ya ulei mailiana na
mutalatila nikamufuatia mpaka nijue. Unajua kwa mfano ati andome huko Mungu hata kama ni nani hapo hapo na kuna hii na ile kitu kingine ni kuleta pesa ndani hapa onaenda isoma ina ngama kazi yo ngama baya wacha luko acha
nani binge wea ne ba no matuna uyo so ni wone thukuma
Tusongarambe mwene kibila nzama ya kinando mbunge nene Kuria Kimani ni watu la moti ala meo leana na motala wa kinando kana Finance Bill 2026-2027 ayase kana nende ni matonya kunewa maobo ma obongo yolo wa motala o Kimani hainena na ndikima maoboni wa kuli ya Kenya kusoma motala o kwa wethianu kukwata uwo bandu ba kunewa maobo matonya kumasia mwaka maono kutweleza.
All that we are doing is geared towards financing a budget of 4.8 trillion. So the member is right and the House is accordingly informed. Sit down and
order, honorable. Ni kuendeana ukusiwa unenania muvyu kuelekela mutalatala wa kinando wa mwaka wa 2023 bungeni ya kati ya yumbe kumangaliko ya ulei mailiana na mutalatala na vala maweta kanani wa kumavini ya NND na muno alam kona siana utandithia na biasala nini taudhosia wangu wasia mitumba.
In this particular case, I'm saying we have a very ambitious finance bill that requires so much money when we are dealing with a country where the citizens are economically at their lowest.
interchange fee and merchant service fee, which raises the card-based payment. On that regard, Mr. Speaker, this cost translate will go up and effectively affect the industry of tourism, hospitality, which as a country we cannot afford to raise any other taxes on it, and therefore I oppose the bill in totality.
Unenania ilasimithia mwene kivilo wa nzama ya kinanu mbungeni ya kati Kimani Kuria kweta kikalo na andiki mamovo na vala wale na mawoni ma ambunge maulei iwetaka na maende na kumaluluti cha enendi yulu wa mutalatala usu wa kinandu.
We have had extensive public participation, and we want to guarantee the members of the public that there is no any imposed taxation on Mitumba. So ignore all the propaganda or all the misinformation and disinformation that there is added taxation on Mitumba. When we challenge them to tell us, show us that clause in the bill that you're referring to. None of them was able to tell us which clause they were referring to.
What my colleagues are going to speak in this house is dancing to the tune of an old song, which is long gone. That our work is just to reject. No, Speaker, that is no music anymore. That is not music anymore. Introduce something new. Challenge and say, this is not workable. Let's work on this.
And it is rightful that anyone who purports anything is in a bill must point out where that is in the bill.
Ayumbe metula muti silikali kwa kwenda kuongela koti wa kwete nguisia Mitumba Vandi ya Kenya kindu kila meweta ataki kuongela muyo muito kwa mwene ndiwo kwa timonini.
But if you look at the original bill, there is a proposal to tax the income from Mitumba by 5%. Now, once you tax by 5% automatically, then the price goes up again. And these are the issues we are saying. So who is targeted when it comes to Mitumba, Honorable Speaker? The person targeted is the Kenyan rules and the laws in terms of income bracket, Honorable Speaker.
Ilivotia vilingu wa movoni toa mwaka mweu.
Tanethia na thosya masindu ilangu sokoni wa matu ni makosa uneni wa MCA uona wa kwenda biashara ukuvingwa ameasiata mena mabalua ma utandithia kana permit yo mona mabalua ma nema maiweta pomo masele una aingi mo methito maitethesia kuthesia soko kwa kukolania sindu ilango.
Nyaba kondesa plastic. Ndizo kwenda makoka mo tuchuma pribai kana. Zawa yego tungide.
Nithukuma we wa kuwa plastic. Ni vano no wa plastic so basi yake wo plastic no waste. Na yu bekindo ne wiyecha kana ni binge wia. Ni vano matuna uyo su ni woni thukuma. Ilangu eka no ngokota plastic na makoton subasi yake wo nithia sengi dithesia soko ya matu wake bwa yusindu isi bano twili hata ku soko ni ya matu monene no kulia kwa ndai ya mheshimiwa plastic inonoa nyedidiliana kindu kingi ni wa plastic na cotton peke yake kulia jabe tonya kwithia na thina wibo twite andu maskrebu plastic amokota bamwe na kwa utwelese thina no ni mwa una tonya usofu hata bano we ni uno ni thia na permit ya bano nina palua wa county wa wiono na nina nema ya kuthukuma wio wa scrap
thukuma wio wa scrap na niguo ni ya family yakwa naguo ni ciana itatu na kibeti na wio tiyo kota wio tithati kwetie wio ni tithati ithukuma na wio ulotu wia icindu wina license na wina kila kindu ko munene ageatia wia ubingwa either twanange ithio nthe nundu family itu ndemea ao ndo kuona tithukumana mo
anthukuma wono wa kuokota maskrep magoto ni soba chindu cha muthemba ucio na bado twithe soko na wio ndiwo twithe cha family yago bado ukabingwa bado baitha bena thina.
Museisia wa Mutongoi TV niwe kwa tiwa kwa kana watina nesani na ukethiana na otho chandiri wa Mutongoi mathauni nyane toro kufela Mutongoi na ivinda wimbita kuzona takethio toikati na ovanini twabelile kwa ukati na wala FIFA ni akuna Bandari FC mungu wa kumaseya mayandikithia athauki eu kwa andelisia itatosia ndhama ya athauki nundu wa ndevi ila mataitweni ula na ikocha wo Mohamed Boji. Muteti ni mwandiki wetu wa Movo na nutumba ni selivoti su kwa withianu.
Mtazamaji, bao la 3
FIFA ni hakuna Bandari FC mungu wa kumasia mayandikithia athauki eu kwa ndilisia itatosia nzama ya athauki nundu wa ndivila mataitweni ula unaikocha wo Mohamed Borji. Mohamed Borji ataita kilavu cha Bandari FC silingi milioni 3.5. Oingi FIFA ni kunie timu wa Bandari FC vaini wa silingi milioni 1.9 akumanwana kunenga ne mavalua matema uo kwa kavu yulu wa ndivisi ya kocha usu. Yumungu withiwa wivetea timu wa Bandari FC vuso ya kutho wa athauki kuma kilavuni kingi kwa mavinda 3 andhini waandilisi asia kutho wa athauki. Kocha usu Mohamed Borji atianie na kilavu cha Bandari FC matuku 11 mama iwa 10 na ile mwakani wa 2025. Na uyovo kilavu cha Bandari FC ni cha wetete na Mohamed Borji ndati ya mitalatala ila mekianite na kembe wa kuma kilavu ni chu. FIFA ni kulilie nzama ya kungamia muvila wa mauva Kenya FKF wiki thieka na mwamulo usu ni wati wa unduvailite kusia Bandari FC kuwa athauki eu kulika kilavu ni chu. Ndilivotia Mutongoi mathauni ni Tawasami Muteti.
Daftari ya mwamuzi hapo kwa ajili
Muteti wa katina sana kwa birekeliani katine kwa kunikila madhauma wonde kapala maende madhauma wonde kap no maende ya kosa mkondo mweyo vala madhawaso